Welcome to Learnglish. Today we will be dealing with two confusing words, wish and hope. What's the difference? Wish expresses a desire for something that is unlikely to happen or is unrealistic. It often relates to situations that a person cannot control or are just imagined. We use a past tense after wish when we want to talk about our present wishes. I wish I could fly. Hope means a desire for something that is possible or likely to happen in the future, and is based on what is currently true or happening. We use a present tense after hope. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. Now let's try. 1. It were summer all year. Here the speaker is talking about something impossible, so we use wish. I wish. 2. We can finish the project by the deadline. It is possible for us to finish the project, so we say hope. I hope. 3. I lived in a castle. It is unrealistic and impossible to live in a castle, so we say wish. 4. You enjoyed the concert this weekend. It's a possible situation, so the correct answer is I hope. 5. I had a pet unicorn. You tell me which one to use, wish or hope. And please subscribe for more content.